Outdoor lighting plays a crucial role in enhancing the beauty, security, and functionality of your home. Whether you want to create a welcoming entrance, illuminate your landscaping, or set the mood for outdoor gatherings, the right outdoor lighting can transform your flower mound property into an inviting and visually stunning space. Investing in high-quality outdoor lighting is not just about aesthetics, it's also about safety, comfort, and functionality. Here's how outdoor lighting can help you create the perfect ambiance and atmosphere for your home. Enhance curb appeal and home value. One of the best ways to boost your home's curb appeal is through well-designed outdoor lighting. Whether you have a modern, traditional, or rustic home in Flower Mound, exterior lighting can highlight architectural features, such as columns, stonework, and decorative trim. Illuminate pathways and driveways, making them more inviting and visually appealing. Showcase landscaping elements, like gardens, fountains, and trees, adding depth and beauty to your yard. Increase property value, as buyers appreciate homes with professionally designed outdoor lighting. When strategically placed, exterior lights can create a warm and welcoming look, making your home stand out in your neighborhood. Set the mood for outdoor living spaces. Flower Mound residents love to enjoy patios, decks, and backyard spaces, especially in the evenings. With the right lighting, you can create an ambiance that makes your outdoor space feel like an extension of your home. Popular outdoor lighting choices include string lights for a cozy and charming atmosphere, lanterns and sconces to add a stylish and elegant touch, LED strip lighting to illuminate seating areas with a soft glow, fire pit lighting for a warm and intimate setting. By using warm, dimmable lighting, you can enhance relaxation and create an inviting atmosphere for entertaining guests or enjoying a quiet evening outside. Improve safety and security. The well-lit exterior not only enhances beauty but also provides essential security and safety. Poorly lit areas can lead to accidents or become targets for intruders. Adding strategic lighting can help illuminate walkways and stairs, preventing trips and falls. Deter burglars and trespassers, reducing the risk of break-ins. Provide visibility around the home, making it easier to navigate at night. Ensure your home is well lit even when you're away, creating the illusion of occupancy. Motion sensor lights, floodlights, and smart security lighting systems offer additional peace of mind, ensuring that your property remains safe at all times. Highlight landscaping and garden features. Flower Mound is known for its beautiful landscapes and green spaces. Outdoor lighting allows homeowners to highlight these natural elements, bringing their yards to life after dark. With landscape lighting, you can accent trees, shrubs, and flower beds, making them visible even at night. Use uplighting to create dramatic effects on walls, fences, or sculptures. Add pathway lights, guiding guests safely through gardens and outdoor areas. Illuminate water features, such as fountains and ponds, adding a magical touch to your landscape. With professional landscape lighting, you can enjoy your yard both day and night, making the most of your outdoor living space. Energy-efficient lighting options. Modern outdoor lighting solutions offer energy efficiency, allowing homeowners to enjoy beautiful illumination while reducing electricity costs. Some energy-efficient options include LED lighting, which uses up to 80% less energy than traditional bulbs. Solar-powered lights, which charge during the day and automatically turn on at night. Motion-activated lights, ensuring that lights are only used when needed. Smart lighting systems, which allow you to control brightness and timers from your smartphone. Choosing eco-friendly lighting options helps lower utility bills while providing sustainable and long-lasting illumination. Smart outdoor lighting for convenience and control. Advancements in technology allow homeowners to integrate smart outdoor lighting into their home automation systems. With smart lighting, you can control lights remotely using your phone or voice assistants. Set automatic schedules for security and convenience. Adjust brightness and color to match different moods and occasions. Sync lighting with security cameras, enhancing surveillance. With smart outdoor lighting, you have full control over how and when your outdoor spaces are illuminated, making it easier to create the perfect ambiance. Customizing your outdoor lighting plan. The best outdoor lighting designs are tailored to the specific needs and style of your home. A professional lighting expert can help you create a custom plan that incorporates different lighting layers, such as accent, task, and ambient lighting. Uses a mix of fixtures, including wall sconces, recessed lights, and pathway lighting. Ensures proper placement, maximizing beauty and functionality. Meets your energy efficiency goals while still achieving the desired effect. By working with an outdoor lighting specialist in Flower Mound, you can create a well-balanced and stunning lighting design that enhances your home's beauty, security, and functionality. Final thoughts. Transform your outdoor space with the right lighting. Investing in outdoor lighting is one of the easiest ways to improve your home's ambiance, security, and curb appeal. Whether you want to create a warm and inviting entrance, showcase your landscaping, or enhance your backyard for entertaining, the right lighting can transform your Flower Mound property into a beautifully illuminated oasis. If you're ready to upgrade your outdoor lighting, consult with a local lighting expert to design a customized plan that fits your style, budget, and needs. With high-quality, energy-efficient lighting, you can enjoy a safe, stylish, and functional outdoor space year-round.